Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first video of 2018. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you have not, my name is Shaye and Juan. We're going to get into this tutorial. I do quick toots and we're going to get started. We're going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Medium Custard as our base and blot that out with a sponge. This is a beauty blender, by the way, and a Coastal Scents Angled Fluffy brush. I will use the white shade just to set that base. In the Wet n Wild ColorIcon Rosé in the Air palette, I'm going to use a Morphe E28 brush and use this color as my transition. It says transition on it. None of these shades have names. That's why I'm throwing a bunch of shade, because that's what they're called, shade. But they say transition. You can use it for wherever you want. I'm going to use that for my crease. Then I'm going to move on to the Morphe E17 brush and use the darker color right there and place that in more of the depths of my crease so we can create our progression and depth. If you get a chance, go to Walgreens and pick up these palettes. This particular one is like the Modern Renaissance palette. They have other ones that are like Subculture, Prism, whatever you want. The freaking formula is creamy. They're beautiful. They're inexpensive. This is my Royal Langnickel Small Crease Brush. I'm going to use this dark brown right here. It's the darkest out of the entire palette. And I'm going to use that in the depths of my crease, inner corner, and also my lower lash line. But I shite you not, you guys. Like, pick up these palettes. The bigger ones are $5.99. The quads are $2.99. The indies are 99 cents. You can't go wrong with the formula, the price point. The color selection is beautiful. Moving on to the crease. If you see my videos before, you already know that I cut my crease with the Inglot gel liner. This is in 95. This is like a champagne gold color, so it's great as an underlay for shimmery shades. But if you're trying to go matte, then maybe not, unless you want to add a little bit of like shimmer underneath the matte just to kind of like make it glow up a little bit, then do your thing. And this is my Bdellium flat brush. I'm gonna use that color right there just to pat on and clean up the line a little bit. I use that to set the base. I went back to the Royal Langnickel brush. I'm going to use this Not So Mulled Wine shade, and that's going to be my little divider transition from the champagne part of my crease to the end of my crease. And I love this brush. You guys know I love this brush. I should probably go get more. I should probably get 10 more, because seriously, it's bomb. Just like this highlighter. This is the Pop Beauty highlighter in Stellar Light. I was super shocked when I use these. They're bright AF. This is my Essence Super Fine Black Liner. I love the tip. I wish it was a little bit more black or rich in pigment, I guess, but the tip is amazing. So if it's not black enough, you can always go over it with whatever you need to. I'm going to create a wing. In the winter, I like wings. I don't know why. In the summer, they just fly away. I don't know. But if you can't tell, I'm trying not to cuss. It's my resolution for YouTube this year. No more cussing, you guys. I know. I miss me too. This is the Buxom Big Tease Mascara. It's plumping mascara and it's my favorite. It doesn't run all over my face like most mascaras do, as well as this Buxom eyeliner is bomb. Like black, gel, dark, and perfect. My lashes, these are Ann Lee collab with Eylure So Lush lashes. For my lips, I'm going to use the Buxom liner in Dolly Danger, and this is the gloss in Rose Julep. I love Buxom products because they are perfect lip plumping products, but not just that, they make plumping mascara, amongst other things that plump and big, just like this look. I hope you all love this look as much as I did creating it, and I hope you guys drop in a like, comment, or subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Cheers to 2018. I hope you all have a beautiful and positive year. Toodles.